Gonna try to get Avery to laugh because she's laughing now. Mwah! Mwah! Oh, and then she rolled over. Well, she knows I'm videotaping her, so she won't do it. Well, you got to see a little bit of her laughing. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Love you. Love you. Say bye-bye.